Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are now approaching the holiest mosque on earth, Masjid Sharif in Madina Munawwara. You can see the street of Madina Munawwara. The modern buildings. With almost none of the old structures remaining. But still you can see a lot of gardens and orchards all over the city. The city has been made more beautiful. Yet it retains many of the castles and many of the old houses which you can see in the periphery. This is the month of Haram, and today is 5th of Muharram, the 2nd January 2009. Early morning time, and the hustle bustle has just started, with many of the street shops still closed and covered under the clothes. This is the first visit of Dr. Muhammad Ali in Madina Munawwara after his marriage. Allah barik fi. Here is the Al-Baik shop, the famous fried chicken shop in the city, very popular in Jeddah as well as in Makkah and Madina Munawwara. Makkah Mukarramah and Madina Munawwara. At night time,